So in my last video, I gave sort of like a broad overview of how to build a lead gen machine in order to sell affiliate products to, finding a product, putting them on a landing page, running ads to it, and most importantly, identifying a niche that has a passionate audience that you can sell to. I got a comment on that video that says that they would like me to break down the whole process, which was the intention of the video, just to put some feelers out to see if I will get some response on it, so I can make a much longer video, detailed video on how to set all of these things up. This is the first of the series that I will be making. I'll put everything in a playlist so you can always refer back to it. But I want to specifically in this video show you exactly how to build a lead gen landing page that is going to convert at more than 50% at least, so you can start lead machine the proper way. So this video is going to be focused on how to build your landing page with Leadpages, how to connect your domain name, and I'll see if I have some time in this video as well to talk about how to connect your email automation software like GetResponse, for example. But if not, it's going to be in the next video. So let's get right into it. The first thing you want to do, like I said, is to find a passionate audience, find an audience that you can connect to a product that you can sell affiliate products to. And once you've done that, I mean, there's so many audiences and so many niches that you can go into, but for the purpose of this experiment and for the purposes of this video, I'm going to choose an audience in the crocheting niche, but you can choose any audience that you really want. But for this video, that is what we're going to use. So once you decide on that, you want to come to a website like exclusiveniches.com. Now, Exclusive Niches is a PLR website. They sell everything from audiobooks to articles to ebooks to graphics, anything that could help you build an online business, digital products that you can use and integrate into your own business that you can use to build an audience. They sell it. So what you want to do is to come here and just type in any keyword. For example, if you want to find an ebook about affiliate marketing, I'm going to type in affiliate marketing in here. As you can see on the screen, they have a lot of affiliate marketing ebooks and audiobooks and articles and things of that nature. A lot of them. So you just have to grab one. Say for example, I want to grab affiliate marketing A to Z. This is an ebook. It's a PLR ebook, meaning it's a private label right. You can give this away as a free resource. You can sell it. You can do whatever it is you want with it. So right now, as you can see, this ebook has 2 e-covers and 1 squeeze page, meaning you can even look at the squeeze page and build your own squeeze page based on the squeeze page that they provide for you. So what are the license details? It can be sold, you can resell it, you can offer it as a master resale, you can edit it, you can put your name as the author, you can break it down into articles, you can use it as a e-magazine content, and so on and so forth. You can do whatever with it. So all you have to do is to download this ebook. It costs $6.95. So just buy this ebook and you have all of that right to do whatever you want with this ebook. So once you've done that, you've picked out your ebook. For the purpose of this experiment, I said I'm going to be doing something in the crochet niche because I already built out all of these things already. So I'm just going to walk you through exactly how I did it. You want to come to a website like leadpages.com. That is where we want to build our landing page. Landing page on leadpages.com. I've always talked about system.io. You can use system as well, but I just feel like Leadpages is more straightforward, if you will. They have more intuitive designs. That is why what gravitates me towards Leadpages any day more than system.io. They have much better designs than system. So once you sign up, I'll put a link in the description, by the way. Start your 14-day free trial. What you want to do is to create a new landing page. So for this experiment, what we're going to do is I will quickly just replicate this page right here. This landing page that I have, this landing page is converting at 55%. And what we want to do is we want to duplicate this landing page. We want to replicate the landing page. So if you come here, you go to landing pages and you click on create new landing page. Now, I did not start building anything from scratch. All I did was I picked out a template that's already been built and I edited that template. So I'm just going to find the same template and I'm going to start editing. You can use a different template if you want, but this is the exact method that I use. I think this is it right here. Boom, preview. Yep, this is the same exact page. I'm just going to use this template. So you click on that and you start designing. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. So once it opens up, you can start designing. I'm going to call it test landing page. Let's go. All right, cool. So we want to recreate this landing page. Now, this is not exactly, if I were to build this thing from scratch, I would not be using this this landing page right here. I think there are much simpler designs that we can use. But since this is, I want to show you exactly how I did it. So I'm just going to go this route. Okay. So the first thing I want to do is retain this. First, let's change the logo. I already created my logo with Canva. So it's already uploaded here, and I'm just going to insert that. Boom, we have the logo. I'm going to delete this. We don't want that. I'm going to delete that. You know what? I'm going to delete this entire section. I'm going to delete that, and I'm going to delete this section as well. Now, there's another landing page that I built for the ebook itself. Now, that's a different beast. I use this exact one. So I will show you that. Let me show you. In fact, let me show you that. This is the landing page that I built for the ebook. As you can see right here, this is the exact clone of that new landing page that I'm trying to build. But since I'm just trying to recreate this one, we don't need all of that detail. Let's see, what do we have here? All right, so we have one image and that's it. All right, cool. Just gonna delete that. You know what? We don't need any of these things. All right, so what I want to do is I'm going to insert a widget, and it's going to be a text widget. Drop that text widget, and what we want to do is this headline right here, I used ChatGPT. So you can tell ChatGPT, for example, let me refresh ChatGPT and show you exactly how I did it, because this is all about step by step here. So this is exactly what I told ChatGPT. I said, I want to create a landing page for a crocheting audience. I am trying to give them a free email course in exchange for their email. Write me a compelling headline. You know what? I'm going to specify for an email course that teaches them how to master crochet in 5 days. In exchange for the email address, write me a compelling headline for this landing page. Now, a lot of people think ChatGPT is a substitution for doing the work. Now, you can see the way I crafted this prompt. Now, let's see what it gives me. Specifically, unleash your inner crocheting pro. Learn to master the art in just 5 days with our free email course. Simple and direct, straight to the point. Now I can say, make it a little longer. It made it a little longer. Now I like this even more. Transform your crochet skill in only 5 days with our free masterclass email course. Sign up now and discover the secrets to unlocking your crochet potential. I love that. Now I'm just going to copy that and bring it into landing page, and I'm going to paste this headline here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this to an H3 so it's bigger, or I can even do maybe H2. Boom. And I'm going to do bold, and I'm going to center align the text. That's it. Simple as. You know what? Maybe I can do font 9. All right, that's good. So as you can see, it's coming together. It's a different headline from what I have here, but it's almost the same. We want to find a crochet image, someone doing crocheting. How do I do that? I go to a website like pexels.com. That's where I get all my free images. As you can see, we haven't used any, we've not paid for anything here. So on Pexels, I'm going to put add crochet. Boom, right there. There's tons of crochet images. Crochet. Is it crochet or crochet? I'm not sure. Tons of them. And you can just click on any one. I'm just going to pick this one and I'm going to download. Free download. Boom, easy. All right, so Pexels downloaded. So now I'm going to drop another widget here. It's an image widget. When I had an image, I'm going to drop that here, and we can change. You can click on that, and I'm just going to change the image. Let's use the same image. The image is now there. So what else do we want to do? We want to add a text. What is it about? We're trying to explain to them what they're trying to get. So I'm not going to regenerate that with ChatGPT. I'm just going to copy the ones that I already made. I'm going to drag a text widget here. And I'm going to come here and I will just copy this, and I will come back here and I will just paste that. Simple as 1, 2, 3, guys. That's it. So now we have a landing page coming together, and the next thing you want to do is to add a button. Now the button is what they're going to click to enter the email address and their first name. Now I'm going to add a button here. Boom. And the button says sign up, but I want to change this to something like, Here I said start mastering the art of crochet. Now you want your button to have some sort of call to action in it. So I'm going to do start your crocheting journey here. Boom, easy peasy. Now when they click on that, you want to add a click event. This is going to be what happens after they click on the button. So you want to add a click event. You want to click on open a pop-up. So the pop-up is going to be the form that opens up. Now let me show you here. So when someone click on this button, this is the pop-up right here. It pops up, boom, first name, email address. Now that's what we want to happen. And what we want in this form is first name and email. But here we have a checkout. We have a checkout field. We want to edit the checkout, and what we want is we don't want any payments here. You know what? We're just going to delete that. So we want to have a form widget. We drop that here. So we have the email. We want to add another field. You click on that. You want to add another field, and you want to select first name. Boom, easy peasy. You click on done. Then I want the first name to be the first thing that they enter. I'm going to click on that arrow. It goes up. Boom. Where should we send your e-course? First name, email. And here I'm going to use the CTA, the call to action, as start e-course. Boom. So that's it. We have a landing page. We have our form. Now the next thing we want to do is to try to connect our domain name. So I believe right now this landing page is almost similar. Let's preview. Okay, let's preview that, and boom, it's almost the same. You can see it's right there, the same. Almost the same. You click on that, it brings you the form. You click on this, it brings you the form. Easy peasy. That's how you create a landing page that converts. It's very straightforward, no fluff, go straight to the point. You don't want to waste people's time. That's one of the things that people need to understand. When you're on the internet, people click off of Facebook ads, they go to your landing page, they want to get it done as fast as possible. All right, so next, we will try to connect our domain name and get this landing page live for everyone to use. All right, so now that we've built a landing page, we've created everything. We created a landing page that we know that is going to convert well based on our experience, right? The next we want to do is to connect our domain name to this Leadpages landing page so we can have a landing page with a domain name. We're not using anything that leadpages.com. We want to be serious. This is a serious business that we're trying to build here. Okay, as you can see right here, this is a landing page that I created on Leadpages, crochetgenius.com/e-course. You come here, you don't have any doubts whatsoever. So now I'm going to log into my Namecheap account. I have a bunch of domain names I already purchased in the past, and we're just going to try to use one of them to to connect our landing page. So for the landing page thing that I have the plan that allows me to connect multiple landing pages. This is about $99 a month. Okay, so this is not cheap at all, but you can get started with the one that allows you to pay, I think, $49 a month, but you can also use it for free for the first 14 days. I'll leave a link to it in the description. So now you want to go to where it says domains. You can see right here, I have my domain already connected. I'm going to delete this. Boom, boom, boom. All right, so I have Crochet Genius connected. Now I'm going to try to connect another domain. Now, which domain should I use? Let me come to Namecheap. I have a lot of them. So I'm going to do, this is for a different e-commerce brand that I was trying to build a long time ago. So I'm going to delete that. I'm going to delete the hair record, and I'm going to delete everything here. So we're starting from scratch. All right, so what you want to do is come here. I will enter my domain name, Solemn Covers. So you go to Namecheap, you go to domains, then you enter the domain name that you're trying to connect. It's going to ask you, does any content currently exist at this domain? I'm going to say no. Do next. Now it recognizes that my domain name is hosted on Namecheap. So it's given me step by step how I'm going to connect it using Namecheap. So it says that you navigate to your domain list, you go to DNS record, advanced DNS, which I've already done. So next I want to do is to add a new record right here. It's saying add a new record. So I'm going to click on that, add a new record. Boom. So what I want to do is to add an A record. So I'm going to select an A record. And you're going to use the @ sign. The @ is where is what you put in the host field. And on the next step, you you have to input your IP address. So I'm going to copy the IP address. I'm going to come here and I'm going to paste the IP address and I'm going to hit save. Now that is done. So you want to do next again. So it's asking you, would you like to redirect your www traffic to the domain you're connecting? So if people type in www.whatever.com, it goes to the website, or if they type in the website without the www. So of course I want to do that. So I'm going to say redirect my domain. So for this step, what you need to do is create a new record again. So you type in add new record. So what you want to create now is a CNAME record, So you click on that. For the host field, you want to type in www. So www. So for the target, you copy the URL and you paste that into the target field and you hit save. And honestly, that's everything. That's how you connect your domain name with Leadpages, with Namecheap, of course. And it's almost the same with anywhere, GoDaddy, Google Domains, anywhere. So it's going to take a while. It takes about 20 minutes or 30 minutes for this to connect. And once you do that, you realize that once you come back to your landing pages, the next thing you want to do is to publish a landing page, right? You want to publish a landing page. This is a landing page that we've been working on. I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to try to hit publish, but I'm not going to be able to do that now because my domain name is not connected yet. So once I hit publish, that domain name is not there yet. But once the domain name gets approved, it's going to come in here as one of the domains here. So here I'm just going to choose the ones that I have, which is crochetgenius.com. And for the slug, which is what happens after the /, I'm just going to do test page. So now we have crochetgenius.com /test page. I'm going to publish that domain and we'll be able to link to this page using that URL. So I'm going to copy that link, and once we test it, boom, the landing page is live as can be. Transform your crochet skill in only 5 days with a free masterclass email course. Sign up now and discover the secrets to unlocking your potential. Now they sign up here, they put in their names. Where does it go? Okay, where does it go? That's why you always want to have a thank you page. Now a thank you page is not hard to create. You can use one of the generic thank you pages. Again, you go to landing page, you create a new landing page, you click on that, then you can come here to page type. Then what you want to find is thank you and confirmation page. Okay, so let's pick a generic one. I'm just going to pick the simplest of them all. Let's do this. I'm just going to start building. It's simple, guys. It's really easy. I'm going to do test dash thank you. So you name your landing page so you can identify it and you start building. So here it says, thanks for signing up. Everything we promise will be sent to your inbox shortly. While you wait, I'm just going to delete this. We don't want that, but you can add whatever it is you want on this page right here. You can, give them the confirmation. You can direct them to your Facebook group or whatever. But the purpose of this landing page is to reaffirm that they have signed up, you've received it, and to tell them that, confirm that whatever it is they signed up for will be sent to their mailbox. So yeah, this is a test thank you page. I'm not going to, work on this too much, but it's the same method as we use for the main page. You can design this in whatever way you want. So we have Crochet Genius test thank you. We publish that. So what you want to do is to go back to the original test landing page and make sure that after people sign up, they come to this page. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So we go back. All right. So once we get here, what you want to do is you want to edit pop-up. It pops up and you edit integrations. You click on edit integrations and there's 3 sections here: integrations, fields, and actions. Where you want to go is actions. It says, when the visitor clicks on that button, when they sign up, what do you want to happen? What do you want them to see? Now, the default one is it goes to the default thank you page, which is not too good. It has whatever default message on there. Now, you want to click on landing page. That's where you want to send them. And as you can see right here, this is all of the landing pages that we've built in the past. But what we are looking for is the test thank you page that we've just created. So you click on the test thank you, and you save and you close. So you update that. Now I'm going to test that page to see that it works. All right, so let's view the page. This is the page that we just built. I click on that. I'm gonna enter my name, Daniel. I'm gonna enter a generic email here, dmof@gmail.com. I'm gonna click on start e-course. Boom, right there. So this is what happens when you build a landing page and everything is well connected. They sign up, they get to the thank you page, and that's it. Now, what happens next is that you want to have a place or a central collection system where you store the emails and you can send automation emails. And that's where your email automation software comes in. In the next video, I'm going to talk about how to connect your email automation software like GetResponse to your landing page and how you can sort your emails, how you can collect your emails and set up autoresponders with a software like GetResponse. That's going to be in the next video in the same playlist. So enjoy. All right, so you made it this far. We're almost there, so stay with me. So at this point, you got your landing page, you got your domain name connected, you found a product, you connected the domain name to the landing page, everything's looking good. So what you want to do now is to have a central storage system where you collect your emails and you set up your automation system. And that's where email automation software like GetResponse comes in. So I'm going to show you in this part of the video how you connect your GetResponse. GetResponse is the email software that I use to your Namecheap so you can collect emails and set up your automations and get all that affiliate income going on. So first thing you want to do is to go sign up for GetResponse. I'll leave a link down in the description. You get 30 days free trial for GetResponse. For the free account, you get up to 500 emails. So you don't even have to worry about, running out of space because chances are you're not going to get 500 emails in your first month anyway. But let's get right into it. So here we want to go into our Leadpages account. You want to go into the menu section. And on the left hand side, you see something that says integrations. So you want to click on integrations and you want to click on connect new account. I already had a GetResponse account connected, but I'm going to try to connect another one just so you see how it's done. So at this point, I want to imagine that you have already signed up for your GetResponse. You've put in your email, you've confirmed your email. So what you want to do is to go where it says tools. You click on that, and at the very bottom, there's a section where you have integrations and API. So you click on that, and here you have integrations, Zapier, callback, custom apps. We don't need all that. What we want to be focused on is the API. So here you want to generate a new API. I already had one generated, but I'm going to generate another one. So you generate API key. Okay, so you want to name your API key. I'm just going to name it LP2. Generate that, and I'm going to copy the API key. You copy that and you go back to Namecheap. So once you click on GetResponse, it's going to ask you to paste your API key. I'm going to paste that. I'm just going to name it GR1. So GetResponse. So connect, boom. It's as simple as that. So now you've connected your GetResponse to your Leadpages. But what you want to do in GetResponse is to go to contacts and you want to create a list. Now your list is your email list. This is how you identify your list from every other list that you have. You may have up to, I don't know, however many lists you want to have. So what you want to do is create a list, and I'm just going to name this test list. Create that. That's going to be useful in just a second. I'll show you. So now you want to go back to your landing page. This is how you connect the emails that you get to your GetResponse. So you go to your landing page, the test landing page that we did earlier. You click on that, and this is what you do once you do that. All right, so this is the landing page. It comes up, and what you want to do is go to pop-up. You edit your pop-up, and you click on edit integrations. So when people come here and they're putting their information into your form, what you want to do is you want Leadpages to send that information to GetResponse. So you want to go to integrations. So right now it's going to notify you every time someone signs up. It's going to come to your email, but you want to add another integration. So now we have GetResponse and GetResponse1, GR1, the one that we just created, and that's the one I'm going to select. It's going to automatically populate. It's going to come up automatically once you've created it. So you go there. So now I'm going to refresh that to make sure that we have all that. Now, this is the list that we created where we want those emails to go to, because sometimes you have multiple landing pages and you don't want those emails to get mixed up. That's why you want to create a separate list for every landing page that you have, or for every different business that you're trying to generate leads for. So right now you can see test list is already listed as one of those lists in there. So when anybody signs up, the name and phone number, whatever information you collect, is going to go into the test list and not into any other list. So you click on that and that's done. So you click on next, and you save and you close. So it's as simple as that. So now we're going to test that landing page to make sure that the emails that we collect are going into that list that we created on GetResponse. Go to the page. I'm going to enter my name and email. This is a fake email. It's not going to go through. It's an email that I used to have a long time ago. So don't even try to. All right. So thanks for signing up. Okay. So now we're going to go to GetResponse, and I'm going to refresh this page to see that we have the email inside of my test list. Boom. As you can see right here, the test list has one email in it. Let's see which email is it right there. So my email, as you can see, origin, where it came from, it's from the API. So that is how you connect your GetResponse to your Leadpages. Now, I will talk about how you can set up your automations, but it's really straightforward. But if you want me to talk about on this channel, I can do that as well. But these are the three main things that you need to put in place in order to start collecting those leads. And also another important piece of that puzzle is how to start running ads so you can start generating leads. As you can see right here, this is the ads that I'm running right now. I run at $5 to $10 a day, and I'm generating a lot of leads, even though right now Facebook is not really tracking everything. Facebook says that, this campaign right here has only generated 19 leads. But if we come here to landing page for that exact thing, it's generated twice that amount. So 38 leads, even though Facebook is recording 19 at 54% conversion. So let me know if you want to see that part of the process, how you run ads so you can start generating leads. It's probably important that I make it, but I want to make that in a separate video so you can grasp the full concept, because it's going to be a long one and I just want to break down everything in such a way that you understand. So let me know if this has been helpful, and if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, consider doing that right now. If you have any questions about this whole process, let me know down in the comments. I'll be more than happy to make a follow-up video or explain to you the best that I can. My name is Daniel, and I will see you in the next video.